Hair fall can be due to several reasons and is very common among both men and women equally. And many people suffering from hair fall or dandruff issues usually go for expensive hair treatments, shampoos, conditioners, and synthetic oils, without being certain of their effectiveness. To be honest, if a certain oil or a shampoo has worked for someone else, does not necessarily mean that it would solve your problems too. But wouldn't it be much better if you could make your own homemade, natural, and powerful hair growth serum, which can be extremely effective for hair growth? And how about if you could prepare it within 10 to 15 minutes? That's right. Let's learn how to make a powerful growth serum for extreme hair growth with just 3 ingredients. First, let's have a look at what these 3 ingredients are and see why we have selected them for our hair growth serum. Number 1. Flax seeds. Not just for hair growth, flax seeds are so amazing as they offer numerous health benefits to your overall health. In fact, we have dedicated a whole video to the health benefits of flax seeds, so be sure to check that as well. Back to the topic. Flax seeds are heavily packed with a variety of many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which work together to help you achieve ideal hair quality. For instance, in flax seeds, vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids can work wonders in repairing your hair, making them soft, and moisturizing your hair and scalp. Plus, flax seeds are a great source of proteins, vitamin B, magnesium, and selenium, which make them even more effective for hair growth and overall hair health. By the way, flaxseed hair gel is also getting popular nowadays for its use against broken, rough, and curly hair. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds. During a study in which 53 people with hair fall problems were made to consume around 300 milligrams of fenugreek seed extracts for 6 months, it was observed that over 80% of them experienced significant improvement in hair volume and thickness. Plus, they also found relief in their hair fall symptoms. Fenugreek seeds have also been traditionally used to treat inflammation in the scalp, which often leads to dandruff, dryness, and itchiness in the scalp, eventually leading to hair loss. Experts say that these amazing benefits of fenugreek seeds could be due to the presence of iron, protein, and especially 2 plant-based compounds, flavonoids and saponins. Iron in these seeds tends to improve blood circulation in the body, including the scalp and hair follicles. Protein helps in building up hair mass and volume, while flavonoids and saponins act as antioxidants and can prevent inflammation in the scalp. Plus, they also have moisturizing, skin-soothing, antifungal, and healing properties. And that's the reason why we have included this amazing ingredient in our hair growth serum. Number 3. Rose petals. They act as natural hair conditioners and cleansers. Plus, they are also rich in antioxidants and have antimicrobial properties, both of which help wash out the inflammation-causing agents from the scalp, such as free radicals and germs. Eventually, rose petals can nourish and moisturize your hair and scalp and prevent dandruff on the scalp. As a bonus, adding rose petals will also impart a peculiar rosy color and a pleasant rosy smell to our hair growth solution, so that you don't have to worry about any unpleasant smell that usually comes after using many hair oils or herbal conditioners. Let's get to know how to use these ingredients to prepare our natural hair growth serum. First, take around 400 milliliters or roughly 2 glasses of water in a pan. Then, mix 1 teaspoon of flax seeds and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in it. Add around 1/3 cup of rose petals to it and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool for a while and then filter out the water, preferably using a cloth. Your own 100% natural and powerful hair growth serum is ready. To use this serum, simply spray it on your scalp and hair, massage it for a while, and leave it overnight. In the morning, simply wash your hair with a good shampoo and a conditioner as you usually do. Do that regularly and be amazed by its results, sooner than you think. You also don't need to throw away the leftover paste though. You can simply eat it, or simply grind it in a blender, and then use it as a paste. This paste can also act as a hair conditioner and can enhance the effects of using the hair growth serum. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. Take care and see you in the next video.